Hello friends, this is Bhunesh Mutha from Easy Photo Edit and welcome to this quick episode where I'm going to show you how you can clean up your Photoshop document by deleting all the empty layers automatically with just one click. But before I do that, let me just show you around my Photoshop document. Over here I have notes of what needs to be changed, and I've cleaned up the leaves. I have changed the eye color and added few other adjustments. Whenever you do retouching or compositing, you tend to create a lot of layers knowingly and unknowingly. First, let me show you how you can search all the empty layers in a Photoshop document. And to do that, let me go to my layers panel and under the search filter type, select attribute. And under the submenu, select empty. This will show up all the empty layers of my Photoshop document, and it also shows me hidden and clipped empty layers. And this particular search type is a dynamic search type. So for an example, if I create a new layer, it will show up over here because it's an empty layer. And now I can select all the layers and delete, but that is not the purpose of this video, and I want to show you an automated way of doing the same. So let me just deselect all the layers and let me reset my search type to how it was so that I can see all my layers over here. And now let me go to File, Script, Delete All Empty Layers. This is the menu which deletes all the empty layers automatically with just one click. So let me click on that and observe the layers panel. When I click, it deletes all the empty layers of my Photoshop document. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for many such demystifying tips, tricks and techniques in my future videos. Until then, take care.